Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JBL Tune 660 noise cancelling headphones. They also support fast pair connection, which is advertised on the front of the box, which basically means that when you turn it on for the first time, it'll quick pair with your Android device if it has that feature available. The box itself has some other features listed. I'll throw it the box itself, such as battery life, which seems pretty good, at least according to JBL's claim, but I'll put it to the ringer, through the review. And there are links to the review will be in the video description. It also supports a wired auxiliary connection, which is great to see as an option, an alternative to a wireless connection. So they're the headphones themselves. Let's just get them out of the bracket. It feels a lot lighter than I thought it would be. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just lighter than I expected it to be compared to how it looks. I'm a little concerned about the ear pad padding material. I'm not sure if it's the type that will kind of fade away or disintegrate or kind of rip apart if they're kind of abused slightly or used heavily, but I'll try to get more details in the review video. So there's the USB-C-A to USB-C cable as well as the auxiliary cable, also included in the box. And lastly, what we have is good old documentation. So the first thing is a quick start guide. Unraveling it, you can't see the rest of it off camera. It's not fitting in the frame because this is one of the worst quick start guides I've ever seen. I'm not sure why it's like a poster when it can just be a document like this, the safety and warranty information. So bizarre, kind of annoying. But that's pretty much it. So be sure to check out the review. Again, a link to that will be in the video description. Be sure to check out my social links and website link also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.